what I'm talking about? But hey, man, you know, when you true to it, people gonna see that you true to it. You know, you ain't gotta have new shoes, just keep them hoes clean, man. You ain't gotta have 20s, man. You can have some 10s on them hoes clean, man. Know what I'm saying? Already.
Hey, you check this stuff out, bro? What it does is washes and waxes, no water, bro.
Washes and wax, no water?
Yes, sir. Hey, let me show you. Check it out. You spray. Feel that. It works on the glass like Rain-X, so it's gonna bead right off when it rains. Nah, if you got kids, I got kids like to put their hands on them, no smudge.
I smack them. You don't have to do it all the time, just whenever it's dirty.
Yeah, whenever it's dirty. And the good thing is, the next time, all you gotta do is spray it, dry it, and wet.
What they run?
They run for 45 at the track. The reason that we're almost sold out, boss, is we're giving you one for 35 and throwing you a second one free. Yep. And we do cash, credit, debit, however you want to do it. Well, Mr. Pete's Racing Liquids, baby. You already know.
I know some different colors, is it?
Well, this is a waterless detail kit. They come in threes. You got the wax. Now this is for your vinyls, your plastic, your leathers, your tire shine.
Okay.
Has no silicone, so it's not gonna sling it over your paint. Now this one right here is gonna remove any stain. Kool-Aid, bubblegum. I took a 2-year one out of my girl's Lexus. Show you. Yeah, it's a new car, like a new car.
So how much the whole set?
That retails at $250, online for $175. Today we're doing it for $150. And the 2 bottles you were getting, we're gonna throw those in free, and then throw you a second $250 free. Look at that. Sounds right off.
Know what I'm talking about? But hey, man, you know, when you true to it, people gonna see that you true to it. You know, you ain't gotta have new shoes, just keep them hoes clean, man. You ain't gotta have 20s, man. You can have some 10s on them hoes clean, man. Know what I'm saying? Already.